Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add custom post excerpts on WordPress, using the updated steps as of 2024. If you've ever wanted better control over how your posts appear in feeds or on your site, mastering excerpts is the key. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set WordPress to display excerpts instead of full posts, helping you keep your site looking clean and professional, with just the right amount of information showing to your readers. Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your WordPress dashboard. That's your main control center for everything on your site. If you're already logged in, you'll be looking at the familiar WordPress admin sidebar on the left. If not, just log in using your site's URL and your credentials. This step might seem basic, but everything starts here, so it's good to be comfortable navigating your dashboard. Once you're in, glance down the sidebar for the settings option. Since there are quite a few menu items, take a moment to find Settings. It usually sits towards the lower half of the list. Just click on it. This is where you adjust all sorts of site-wide preferences, so it's a useful spot to remember for future tweaks. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of sub-options. What we're looking for here is the one labeled Reading. Go ahead and click Reading. This section specifically governs how your content is presented to visitors. Think of it as the director's booth for your site's front of house. It decides what guests get to see when they land on your pages or subscribe to your feeds. Now look for the bit that says "For each post in a feed include." This is the part that manages how much of each post is shown to people scrolling through feeds or blog listings. By default, WordPress typically selects full text here, which means your entire post will display in the feed. That can get overwhelming for visitors, especially if your posts are long or you share articles frequently. Imagine reading a newspaper that always prints articles in their entirety on the front page. It's just too much. To keep things neat and give readers just enough to pique their interest, you want to switch from full text to Excerpt. Go ahead and select Excerpt. What this does is display a short summary of each post, either pulled automatically or written by you. This way, your feeds and blog pages stay streamlined and easier for visitors to browse, click, and engage with. It's a small change, but it really boosts the readability and professionalism of your site. Once you've made that selection, don't forget the last but crucial step. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. WordPress won't apply your new setting until you save, so don't skip this part. Sometimes people tweak a setting and get distracted before clicking Save. Then wonder why their site looks the same, so double-check yourself here. And that's all there is to it. Now your WordPress site will be serving up clean, concise excerpts wherever posts are listed. This not only makes things easier for your readers, but also gives you more control over your site's appearance and organization. Don't worry if it takes you a couple tries to find the right menu. After you've done it once, it'll feel like second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you want advice on setting up custom excerpts for individual posts. And don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll never miss a tip for keeping your WordPress site running smoothly and looking its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.